This is a review of the Morshio 1000 mAh portable waist clip-on fan. It's wearable, so you can pretty much wear this on. It's a Belt's personal cooling shirt fan, rechargeable with the 5-speed flashlight, so it comes with that as well too. But yeah, we're gonna pretty much unbox this, show you guys what you get in this package, and from there, test this product out, just check for the durability, and to see whether or not this product is worth it. So yeah, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything out of this package, and you can see here, this is the USB to pretty much charge it up. It's rechargeable, so you use that whenever it needs to be charged. This right here is the strap. So the strap is designed to pretty much, if you're wanting to wear this while you're doing any workout, or you're running around or walking, or if you're just around your home, you want to have it on your neck, you could have that as well too. So it comes with the strap. Then right here, this is the product itself, and it does have like pretty much about like 5 speeds to pretty much the fan cooling. So if I hit this button right over here, if not this button but the other button on the back of here, so if you press that button, it's gonna turn on. So when I press this button, so we're gonna go on setting number 1. This is setting number 1, and it's providing all the cooling air, and it feels very like, you know, this product will definitely help you out during those hot summer days where it's very humid outside and you need like a little bit of air. This does provide all that. This is setting number 1. But if you want like a lot of people, you know, in the hot conditions, you want like the full maximum speed, then we get number 2, 4, 5. Okay, so that's, like I told you guys, 5 is the maximum of the setting you could have, and it blows air very cooling. Like you could, like if you're probably doing a workout or you're doing running or walking, then it does provide a significant amount of air. It feels very nice, and it's not even that loud as at that either, and it's very quiet. And it tells you right over here how much battery life there is. It says 74%. It tells you the percentage of the battery life. If you have to charge it up, it tells you right over here. But yeah, it really works really well. Overall, the product itself is extremely high quality, and it really does, it helps you out whenever you're in those hot summer days and you're walking around or running around, or you're just, around the house, inside the house, and you feel a little bit hot. It comes with the strap right here too. And yeah, I overall love this product. It comes with everything you need. The rechargeable USB, so whenever you have to charge it up, you charge it up. It comes with the strap if you want to wear it on your neck, then you can wear it up as well too if you feel hot. It's pretty much, I love this product, the fact that it's portable, you can move it around everywhere, and the fan speed works really well. 5-speed fan, and really it packs a punch for a small compact size product. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a portable, pretty much something that to blow air out. Then this product itself is probably one of the best cool products that you could get.